A lion can kill a hyena in seconds. A leopard can crush a smaller cat before it has time to escape. But after the fight, something strange often happens. The winner leaves. No feeding, no attempt to drag the body away. Sometimes the animal it killed is barely touched. That makes no sense if predators kill only because they are hungry. Fresh meat is lying directly in front of them, so why walk away? The answer begins with a mistake humans make about predators. We imagine that every animal with teeth belongs to the same category, meat. But to a predator, another predator is not simply food. It is danger, competition, and a problem that may be more valuable dead than eaten. Biologists call these encounters interspecific killing. When the attacker and victim also hunt similar prey, the interaction may be described as intraguild predation. Two hunters enter the same territory. Both need the same rabbits, deer, rodents, nesting birds, or carcasses. Every animal caught by one is unavailable to the other. Every litter born means more mouths competing for the same limited food. That rival may consume hundreds of future meals. In 1999, researchers Francisco Palomares and Tim Caro reviewed killings among mammalian carnivores and found that predators killing other predator species was not a rare accident. In some species, it represented a major source of mortality, and the victims were often not eaten. That changes the meaning of the attack. A wolf killing a coyote may reduce competition across an entire hunting range. A cougar killing a smaller carnivore may remove an animal that steals food, threatens its young, or attracts larger rivals. The body is not the reward. Its absence is. But that still leaves the obvious question. Once the rival is dead, why waste the meat? Because not all meat offers the same return. Predators usually hunt animals built to be eaten. Herbivores carry large digestive systems, heavy muscles, and bodies adapted to turn plants into tissue. Many live in herds, produce multiple young, and exist in numbers that can support predators above them. Another carnivore is different. Its body is often lean, muscular, and relatively small compared with the prey it hunts. Catching it may require a dangerous fight against teeth and claws, capable of causing permanent injury. And injury changes everything. For an animal that survives by chasing and overpowering prey, even a minor wound can begin a slow death. That is why predators do not normally hunt rivals the way they hunt deer or rabbits. The risk is too high. Most attacks happen when one animal has a clear advantage: greater size, greater numbers, surprise, or control of the territory. The goal is to remove the rival quickly, not turn it into a regular food source. Researchers studying coyotes, gray foxes, and bobcats in California found that these species shared much of the same prey. But the competition was not limited to who caught the most rodents. Coyotes also killed foxes. The fox was not valuable because of the calories inside it. It was valuable because every dead fox left more prey, more space, and fewer competitors behind. This effect can spread through an ecosystem. When a large predator suppresses smaller predators, those smaller species may disappear from certain habitats or change when and where they hunt. Ecologists call this mesopredator suppression. Wolves can push coyotes away from carcasses and productive hunting grounds. Coyotes can force foxes into poorer habitat. Large cats can alter the movements of smaller carnivores that avoid places carrying their scent. Sometimes the larger predator does not even need to attack. Its presence is enough. A fox that smells wolves may abandon an area filled with food because staying could be fatal. So predators divide the landscape not only through hunting, they divide it through fear. But predators do sometimes eat each other. Lions may feed on hyenas. Wolves may consume coyotes. Large snakes eat smaller snakes, and birds of prey frequently eat other predatory birds. This happens especially when food is scarce, the victim is much smaller, or the attack required little additional risk. Predators do not possess an instinctive respect for other hunters. They are not refusing the meat because of honor. They simply compare cost with value. If another predator is small, safe to consume, and worth the energy, it may become food. If it is dangerous, lean, unfamiliar, or surrounded by easier prey, Killing it may be useful, while eating it is not. The body was never the objective. A predator kills prey to survive today. It may kill another predator to survive tomorrow. That rival could steal the next carcass, enter the den, kill the young, claim the territory, or slowly empty the landscape of everything both species need. The lion leaves the hyena where it fell because the meal was never what mattered. One less hunter was.